Computer internal hardware. Hardware, the part that we can touch, we can feel with our hands. And internal hardware means the parts that are fitted inside the computer unit, inside the system unit, inside the CPU box. All the parts that are fit inside are called internal hardwares. As the parts are motherboard, drives, power supply, RAM, all are called internal hardware parts. All these parts are the internal parts: system unit, motherboard, processor, memory, CD or DVD drives, SMPS, ports and adapter cards. System unit, it is a box like case, or we can say it is a computer case. It stands near computer. It is made up of plastic or metal. What is the use of it? It protects internal electronic components from the damage. Motherboard, it's a large circuit board inside the system and also known as system board or main board. Among all the chips, we are putting the chips in our computer, we are putting the chips in our mobile phones. Among all the chips, the important one is microprocessor. It is also called processor or CPU. The processor or CPU, it's a machine, and we can say it is a processing device of computer, and we can say the brain of computer is CPU. It processes input, output and all the storage devices and produce output. Now the functions of CPU. CPU, it is the interface between hardware and software, and it is used to control the functions performed by other components of computer. Number 2 is CPU manufacturers. Intel and AMD are the basic CPU manufacturers. They produce Pentium, Celeron, Sempron, Athlon computers, etc. And they are using multi-core processors. Speed of CPU. Speed of CPU is measured in hertz. Hz is the short form of hertz. And most common measure is the clock speed, which is measured in megahertz or gigahertz. 1 gigahertz is equal to 1000 of megahertz. So the speed of 2.4 gigahertz is 2400 megahertz. The higher the clock speed, the more operations of CPU can execute per second. CPU cooling. CPU generates a bit of heat which could cause the chip to burn up. Heat sink. It's a small ceramic or metal component with fins on its surface that absorbs and disperses heat produced by electrical components such as a processor. And it is where it is situated. Some heat sinks are packaged as a part of processor chips and other are installed on the top of the side of a chip. It has a fan that sucks cool air into the PC case and blows hot air out of the case to stop overheating. This is the basic diagram of central processing unit. It has input devices, taken the commands from input devices. It has 3 parts: control unit, arithmetical logical unit and memory unit. And it is allowed to give the output in the printed format or on the screen, that is called monitor. The 3 parts of CPU are control unit, arithmetical logical unit and memory unit. The arithmetical logical unit include basic calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Control unit controls the components of the processor and controls all the functions of computer. It also checks the results given by arithmetical and logical unit. The third one is memory unit. Memory unit holds the data and information that needs to be processed as well as the data that has already been processed by the CPU.